my son.
What happened? Okay. So good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Actually, shall I record? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so which app are you using to record?
Actually, I am sometimes I use Zoom app to record
Yeah.
conversation. Otherwise, I have another one app in a laptop to record the screen, the full screen. It's Movavi
Okay,
screen
let
app.
we get firstly we have to start
Yeah,
conversation.
introduction.
So
Yeah,
first of all, good afternoon and how was your day? How are you? And very first time
yeah.
we have started our
Yes, yes.
communication.
Yeah, we are first time connecting, and yeah, good afternoon. And today is a hectic day for me. Actually, I was in my vacation for 2 months. Yeah, now I return to my place.
Okay.
So I have some work here. Yeah, it's just 2 days only we came here. So I have lot of things to unpacking my luggage, and I am getting things,
Okay,
everything.
okay, I can
So
understand.
that's
No problem.
yeah.
It may happen.
Yeah, and yeah, I also have one kid, so a little bit hectic
Okay, so
day.
you are mother of so how old he or she?
Yeah, yeah. Uh, yeah, he is 2 years old now. So shall I start my introduction?
Yes, it will be
Okay.
better. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So, my name is Shajina, and my native place is Tamil Nadu, and now I am living in Dubai. And my hobbies are reading books, watching movies, playing with my kid, and traveling. And nowadays, I am learning this language. It's my passion, and I hold MA and BEd degree.
Okay. So
That's
are
all about
you
me.
working or homemaker?
No, no, I am a homemaker because, yeah, as I told, I have a kid. So he's now only 2 years. So I am full-time homemaker. I am looking after him.
So it's good that you are spending your whole time with your family, with your kids. But let me
Yes,
introduce myself, then it will be helpful for you. As
yeah.
my name is Shushma Verma, and I am from West Bengal. And give me 1 second, please. My
Yeah.
child started crying.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so you, you are also a mother, I can
Yeah.
understand.
And actually, he was starting cry. That's why I went there. Then-
Okay, so
So
you
my
have,
yes.
okay, you have one kid or
No, I am
two
blessed with my
kids?
two kids. One elder one is 5 years old, and the younger one is here. He is 1 years old. 1 year old actually.
Oh,
So
okay.
I'm from West Bengal, and I have been working in military engineering services for 11 years there, as well as I'm also developing my expertise in data analytics for my future. And just I want to enhance my skills. For that purpose, I am learning this skills, data analytics. As well, I am also working on my speaking language, and that is English. So for that purpose, we are here on this platform, Zoom app. And most importantly, I would like to say that thanks a lot to send me response as I have sent you to please join. I wanted to have a conversation with you. It was a very longer time. I was not connected to anyone. So for that
Okay.
purpose, it is helpful for me.
Uh,
Most of the time, I
yeah,
just
and I can understand. because I also face this kind of problem. Sometimes I mail someone and they respond, and in the end of we are about to meet. At the time, they sometimes postpone,
Yes, yes.
and they
That
sometimes yeah, yeah, I face
that
this kind of
happened.
problem.
But at that time, we feel very bad that how,
Yeah,
after managing all the things, we are here to join, and then suddenly, but at the same time, we feel that okay, it is okay. Where we are, after doing all the things, we are here saving the time. We can do other things so in plus of joining that, so we can
yeah,
utilize
yeah.
it like that.
Yeah, yeah. So I can understand the feelings because sometimes it happens to me also. Yeah.
Yes, I relate to you because as you are suffering, being having a kid and doing all the things, and I'm
Yes,
also.
yes. Yeah.
So
So,
yes,
okay. So, you now you are working or you are a homemaker. So,
no, no,
what
I'm
about?
working. As I have
Okay.
told you, I am working. I have been working there since 11 years, for 11
Oh,
years, and I'm also enhancing my skills, data analytics for my future. As I
oh,
just keep doing something, keep learning always. It is my enthusiast. I'm excited to learn as always.
okay. So, how you came into the English? How you get interest to learn this language? So, what's the purpose and how you started your journey?
Okay, so first of all, thank you asking for this. Thank you for asking this question. That it was like since childhood, I was excited to learn this. Just very passionate about this language. Whenever I see any words or sentence, I just keep repeating that. Whenever I will go, I will communicate to anyone. Then I will repeat this sentence. I will say this sentence. Then I feel very good. Since
Okay.
childhood, I was exciting related to this language, but I was not able to learn to speak truly as I am doing. So somehow this time came. Just I think after scrolling on videos on YouTube, there was a channel and teacher persona. I have observed that the teaching method of that particular person, that sir, Ajay sir, was there. He was just doing amazing because learning English and speaking English both are totally different things actually. Okay, so
Yes.
we are familiar with grammatically all the things, but somewhere we are unable. After knowing all the things, we are unable to speak to anyone. And after watching that video, I just think that I have to join, and let's see what happens, whether it is working or not. I will. I can speak or not. I for experiencing, for checking, I just joined their classes, and it was amazing. I experienced, I thought that I can. That time after joining, I was the sir, Ajay sir was there. He I was not confident so much. After joining online classes, I experienced, so he told me, show me the
Okay.
confidence on me while taking of your online classes. And that was not so confidence was me. I am not was so confidence while speaking, whether I can speak or not. But at the same time, sir was confidence. He was kept in encouraging me, and that works. And but after joining, I was not able to speak. Somewhere I was feeling that I can. So anyhow, I joined S Fluency app. Okay. So
Okay.
there I start communicate to others, the people. Then suddenly I started, whenever I start on a regular basis, I start to making consistency. Then I start feeling that yes, I can speak, and it works for me. And that is I'm just going on, I'm keeping on, I'm just communicate. on that app. Not
Okay.
on that app, I'm also using PeerUp app, and it also great app, PeerUp, I think.
Okay, yeah, yeah. I know about. Actually, yeah, I am also using Ace Fluency and CV app. I am
CV app,
using
I have heard sometimes CVR.
yeah, CV also the same thing about the we can call to our
Okay.
co-learners, but only 30 minutes. I think Ace Fluency gives 90 minutes free call to we can call to
Okay,
other co-learners.
in free version. But I
Yeah,
was
yeah.
as a premium user, so I keep communicate. But I
Okay.
don't have enough time to communicate, so I just use 30 minute or 15 minute, 20 minute, not more than that.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. I am using very not yeah, I am not a I'm didn't get any subscription. I just using with free version only I am using.
It's
Yeah.
good. After subscribing, after paid version, sometimes it feels that I'm not using much more time. I'm not giving them more. Then why I am? So sometimes it's good to use free one. But
Yes.
for the experience I have paid. Let's work.
Yeah, yeah, I can. Yeah. Obviously, if it is very helpful for you, obviously we can go with the paid one. But
Yes.
for me, the same thing. I don't have much time, so I don't want to waste money because if I pay the money and I am
I
not
relate to
using, I
you.
feel
Sometimes I
yeah,
always keep thinking like this. After thinking
yeah.
more, then I just start to invest anyone to pay any that yes, I have to do now. So I do.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's about you? How was your journey to start with this learning this language?
Okay, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
sure. I like to share. For me, yeah, I am also I was very fascinating upon this English language in my childhood also. I like mostly in my school days I get um yeah, more mark in English and my mother tongue. I like languages other than maths, some other science, social. I like language subjects. Tamil, my mother tongue is Tamil and English. So I can understand. I am very interested in languages, and I also like to learn English very much. So that's why I prefer to learn English in my college days also. I joined in MBA and MA. The both I joined in English literature. I did my
Oh my
literature course
God.
there. Yeah, but still, I have to uh, I have to explain this. But still, as a literature English literature student, we was we were not speaking. Obviously we learn English. I know a lot of technical things, grammar, wherever we have to use all these things. So I know grammar, I know a lot of technical things in English. So but still
But
we
still we are
never spoke
unable
in
to
this.
speak. Okay. That's
Yeah,
I have
even
told
in
you that
yeah, in
both are totally different things.
yes. So in our college days itself, lecturers sometimes spoke in this language, but they never insisted us to speak. We
Yes.
have to speak this language. You have to stick to speak every day. They never insisted. They just told try to speak like this. But we at the time we were very lavish. We were very comfortable with our own mother tongue. So I also I didn't experience the importance of English at the time. So I was in my own my own place, so I never experienced these kind of things. So I am very comfortable with my language. But
Okay.
when I moved to Dubai, here my husband is working
Okay.
here. So
He
after
has
marriage,
posted there. He was posted.
yeah,
Okay.
my husband
Dubai.
was has been working here for 10 years.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it's a long period of time.
Yeah,
And
but I got married 3 years before. I got married 3 years before. So, and I joined with
okay.
him. Yeah,
It's a great opportunity for you that if you go, if you want, if obviously you have to live with him, so you must
yeah,
learn English to survive there in Dubai.
yes,
Yes,
yes, yes,
connect with
obviously,
people up
obviously.
there. Yes,
Yeah, I have to learn this language. So, yeah, at first, I struggled a lot. In my initial days, I struggled a lot in shops, malls, hospitals. So at the
okay.
time, I struggled. Sometimes I stuck. I couldn't explain each and everything, whatever coming in my mind. I couldn't explain at the time. So then I thought, okay, let's start our
That's that.
journey. Let's start speak.
Okay, it happened. Did you experience that by crossing road or yeah, as you are moving here and there by traveling, and if you watch somewhere someone is speaking in English and you are unable, just they are talking to her or his children in English. If you go to PTM, if you watch some seminar or anywhere you go, if anyone is right now performance is in English, all totally all in
Yes,
English.
yes,
So if we are unable to speak any in a single sentence, then we feel that what is going on. If we are
yeah,
mastered, we have completed our masters, and we are unable to speak English, then nothing we have
yes,
learned,
yes,
I
yes,
think.
yes.
So this kind of
Obviously,
thinking going on always, and we experience for that purpose that now we have to achieve something to enhance our personality, not for personality, for a professional worker, as a professional work, it's necessary nowadays. And
yeah.
most of the time, what happens if we want to connect, not only India, there are so many states like South. As I have,
Yeah.
and I want to share from last night, I wanted to share one thing with you that
Okay.
I will ask you whenever I connect with you. I will ask you one question that once I visited to Chennai, and
Oh.
there there were no people, such a people I got that they understand. They were not neither understand English nor Hindi. Then how will I connect with them? My husband was
Yeah, it happens. Actually, most of the North Indians thinking mostly all the South Indians know English.
yes,
All the South Indians speaks English. They
yes,
think like that. North
yes.
Indians thinks like that, but
But
it's not. Yeah, mostly most of the people know English, but they don't speak. They can understand, they know English, but they don't speak each and every day. In a day-to-day life, they don't
yes,
speak much,
but
but
at
they can
least
understand.
try to
Yeah,
understand that we can help, but they are unable to understand, unable to speak. We felt that what happened, the situation was that my husband was getting angry that where I have. So anyhow, we reached the for treatment. We were going there value, so for that purpose. But anyhow, we reached, and there was so many places. They all are knowing all the things. I think Hindi, if English is English must necessary learn in the South Indian, or but earlier I was knowing that most of the South Indians know English since childhood. I don't know
yeah. Actually,
why
we
this
know
thing.
English.
Why
Yeah,
this
we
thing?
know.
Yes.
Yeah, obviously, South Indians know English, but they don't speak in day-to-day
No,
life. And the most important thing, they don't know Hindi. South Indians don't know Hindi.
that's the
Yeah,
problem. Yes,
yes,
that happens.
but but the North Indians mostly wherever in which state you go, you can obviously speak in Hindi because it's common there.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, they know Hindi, but South Indians don't know Hindi.
So
Yeah.
that was a very big problem we suffered there. And one more thing, time is left. Yes.
Okay. So,
And so, I one thing I would like to ask you that, and actually, I want to share something that,
yeah,
as you shared about you have completed your master's, bachelor's degree in actually college from
yes,
Literature, English medium.
yeah,
But
literature. Yeah,
I want to share my that I was due to English language, I taken all the subject in Hindi. Thus,
okay.
fear of English was there. Such a type of
Oh,
fear. I don't want to study. For that purpose,
okay.
I didn't do regular colleges that I have to learn from by taking English.
Distance.
Yes, that kind of
Okay.
fear was there that time, and I was feared to use. I was unable to actually use a single word. I have to repeating my sentence that I have to speak this. I have to speak this. I just keep repeating the words and sentences. But nowadays, as I am speaking
Yeah.
after practicing, I am proud of myself that yes, I have done
Yeah, now
very
you are doing
well
a
now.
great thing. And
Mhm.
yeah, you are continuously speaking uh this much of English. So
But
it's
earlier
you
was
have to
not
be
that.
proud.
Earlier was not that. I was using most of the time maximum fillers, and I just get stuck, and the words and sentences were not coming in my mind. As I have started using Expensive through the audio calls, just keep
Oh,
engaging with people and keep continuing my communication, with, having communication with others. That's if well, that's the reason as I have improved myself right now.
oh.
So that's the journey.
So how do you feel when you connect with learners with yeah, the video call? So
Yeah.
how what is your first experience? How do you feel the first time when you connecting to the other person?
So first things come in my mind that uh, I will ask you about yourself. I will know about yourself. And whenever the person is, whoever the person is, I will connect them and I know about themselves. And then try to continue the conversation and use, uh, try to use communicating, continue and keep asking the things that will be helpful for me in my learning journey, that how did you get that fluency. And as I have watched your videos, most of the videos, not totally all the videos I have watched, but some of the videos I have watched your, and it was a great experience. I was keep thinking that, oh my god, how will I face
Thank
you?
you.
How will I face you that you are speaking very well and keep continuing your the way of speaking is also good. So sometimes
Thank you. Thank you
before
so much.
joining, I keep thinking that how will I finish, whether I will be able to uh,
Uh,
communicate.
yeah, we are all practicing here, so it's not a
But
problem.
at the same time, I think I know I can face and I will do. I just keep here to face my how I am feeling to overcome the
Fear.
fear of this video call. I just connect,
Yeah.
and as we are
Oh,
connecting, we keep connecting in audio as fluency app. So it is not a, but at the audio and video totally are both different.
different.
If
Yeah,
you but
yes, obviously.
when video you if you start video your word and sentences not come in my mind what I have to say, what I have to do next. But if you keep continue to communicate to each other in video, then
Other.
you will be habituate, and that
Yes,
after sometimes you will not get that type of fear and you will be
yes.
habituate to speak. So sometimes it is happening myself because I have had, I think, 6 to 7 videos conversation with everyone, and I have watched you have joined more of the video conversation. I
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I had 10 to 12 YouTubers I have connected.
okay,
And yeah, I have uploaded 40, 5 videos also.
I have
Yeah.
gone through your YouTube channel, and I just
Uh,
keep. I was excited that was showing your profile, as you have subscriber and not more than 40 or 45 five videos, and you are doing great job there. I was learning from your videos, so it helped
th-
people.
Thank you.
So
Thank you so much.
yes,
And it's this kind of things motivates me
yeah, yeah.
to do more. Yeah, obviously. And you are also doing a great job. I have watched your shorts also. You try to pronounce each and every words,
Because
and
I
you
am
are
poor.
sharing.
I am poor at
But
pronunciation.
but and also you are sharing your experience, so by this shorts others get inspired by you,
Yes,
and they also try to do these kind of things. So I can appreciate, I have to
thank you.
appreciate you and keep doing this.
Yes.
Yeah. So and yeah, you are learning English, and you are trying to teach also. In this stage you are trying to teach, and you how do
And
you get this idea of starting a YouTube channel? So
okay.
how did you get this idea?
So I was not thinking that I have to create this YouTube videos channel actually. But sometimes what happened while recording the videos, there was no more space in my mobile. Okay. So I
Okay.
thought that it will be better idea if I upload the video on YouTube, and I will delete all my videos from my mobile.
Mobile.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I
okay.
will keep observing by
Ah, yeah.
watching my videos on YouTube. But after uploading some videos, somewhere from where I don't know, the thought actually come in my mind, and keep thinking, started thinking that now I have to do something in my YouTube channel after watching all the videos. And suddenly, one video I have watched, that was Rajni Verma's uh, English conversational video, and that totally changed my mind. That yes, it
Okay.
now I'm going to do. She inspired me actually, truly, in my
Okay.
English learning journey. And the first conversation video was with mine videos with Rajni Verma ma'am. She started the English conversational journey in a very good way. She speaks very well, and most of the time I just keep inspiring by her, by watching her videos. And she started encourage that you should start video, at least upload your videos. Then I started, and many more are
Okay.
YouTubers are there. I after watching, after scrolling, suddenly I thought that I should work on it. What I practice, what happened, what I practice, and what I am going through. That most of the people in beginner, in their initial stage, they can suffer also. So what
Yeah.
I am suffering, what I am facing, and I how I am overcome this problem, that was I am just keep sharing on that channel. That can also make helpful for everyone, I think. And as I practice, I just keep uploading, keep sharing. And I always mention that I can make mistakes. So if I make mistake, then let me in comment box. Then I can also practice. So
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
type of, I have created my YouTube channel and my journey,
Okay. Sure.
and that is going
Yes.
on very good. I think.
Yeah, yes, you are doing a great job. And yeah, obviously, I have to tell one more thing. Mostly, some other person inspire us. Then only we start our own journey.
Yeah.
It's a kind of circle.
Yeah.
For them, somebody inspired them, so they start. And now we are get
Most of
inspired.
the people, many of the people are there. They are waiting for, somehow they watched our videos. Then they will inspire that yes, if they
Yeah.
see can, then how, why I can't.
Yeah,
Yeah.
obviously. Somebody
If she
get
finished
inspired
the
by
journey,
us.
yes, she was unable to. That kind of fear was there that they don't take graduation. They did not complete by English medium. So why can't I? Back negative Siddhi, why can't I? So they can start their journey by listening, by watching our video.
Yeah,
What do you
obviously.
think,
So
Shreya?
yeah, for me also, I started my journey. I tried to speak in this language, and I am learning a lot of things from YouTube. But suddenly, one YouTube channel, the person called Mahalakshmi, she also uploading this kind of conversational videos. So I get inspired. Seriously, I got inspired by her. So I liked her way of speaking, and how she's very enthusiastic to learn English, learn a lot of new things, and she uploading all the things whatever she is learning. So I got inspired by her, and I started this YouTube channel. So
Okay.
like this,
So
it's
this
a kind
was
of
great.
rotation.
Great thing. And
Yeah.
here is showing that your meeting will end in 10 minutes. So we don't have much more time to conversation. But
Okay, so I think
so it was
we
a
we
very
have
good
to.
and nice conversation with you and have
Yeah,
connecting with you.
obviously, and
Please, yes,
obviously we can connect after
again.
some days.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we
I will
can
share.
connect again, and it's a nice conversation. So now we have to wrap up this session.
Okay,
Obviously, we. Yeah,
okay.
thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Bye.